In this question, we have to find what is product from when chloral is treated with chlorobenzene. Now, chlorobenzene, these are chlorobenzene molecule. When chloral react with two equivalents of chlorobenzene, now this trichloroacetaldehyde is called chloral molecule. In presence of concentrated H2SO4, water is eliminated, and after removal of water molecule, we will get this molecule having 3Cl. Now this molecule is called DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane, which is used as pesticide. So correct answer is B. In this question, we have to find when benzene is treated with benzoyl chloride, then the product form is. Now benzene molecule is having 3 pair of electron, so benzene act as nucleophile. Benzoyl chloride on reacting with AlCl3 form benzyl carbocation. Now this benzyl carbocation act as electrophile, so C6H5 C double bond O positive act as electrophile, benzene nucleus act as nucleophile. So benzophenone is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is A. In this question, we have to find final product of the reaction. Now carbon monoxide in reacting with HCl and presence of AlCl3. Now HCl react with AlCl3 to produce more amount of H positive, plus AlCl4 negative is formed. Now this carbon monoxide will combine with H positive to form formyl carbocation. Now this formyl carbocation will act as electrophile. So on reacting with benzene, this HCO positive act as electrophile, benzene act as nucleophile. So first Valand intermediate is formed. In last step, when AlCl4 negative act as Lewis base, abstract as positive ion, and aromaticity is regenerated, so benzaldehyde is formed as a product along with formation of HCl, and hence correct answer is D. In this question, we have to find a reagent used for acetylation of benzene. Now benzene on reacting with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3 will form acetophenone. Now CH3COCl molecule on reacting with AlCl3 will form CH3CO positive carbocation. Now this will act as electrophile, and finally acetophenone is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is A. In this question, we have to find when benzene is treated with acetic anhydride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride at 80 degrees Celsius, the product is. Now acetic anhydride, now this molecule is acetic anhydride on treating with AlCl3. Now this AlCl3 act as Lewis acid, and it will abstract CH3COO negative ion. So CH3CO positive is formed, which act as electrophile, and CH3COO negative AlCl3. Now this will act as base. Now CH3CO positive act as electrophile. So on reacting with benzene CH3CO positive accept pair of electron, it will accept pair of electron, and it will form arenium ion. Now this carbocation is formed. In last step, now this CH3COO negative AlCl3 will act as base, and it will abstract H positive ion. So aromaticity is regenerated along with formation of acetic acid, and AlCl3 is free again, and hence correct answer is C. Acetophenone is formed as a final product. In this question we have to find product of the following sequence of reaction. Now benzene is treated with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, so that acetophenone is formed as a product. Now this acetophenone, on reacting with zinc amalgam and HCl, so now this is example of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, and second step is example of Clemenson reduction. So during Clemenson reduction, carbonyl group will reduce to alkyl group. So ethyl benzene is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find which of the following compound will undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction faster. Now if electron withdrawing group like NO2, CHO, COOH, SO3H are present, if electron withdrawing groups are present, in presence of electron withdrawing group, no Friedel-Crafts reaction is possible. No Friedel-Crafts reaction is possible. And if NH2 and OH groups are present, in that case also Friedel-Crafts reaction is not possible, because in presence of AlCl3, NH2 and OH will be converted to cation, so Friedel-Crafts reaction is not possible. Now if we consider first example, in this case Friedel-Crafts reaction is not possible because deactivating group NO2 is present. In second case, neither of deactivating groups are present, so Friedel-Crafts reaction is possible. In third case, two electron withdrawing groups are present, so Friedel-Crafts reaction is not possible. In fourth case, when aniline is present, now aniline on reacting with AlCl3 will be converted to anilinium ion, and in presence of anilinium ion, now it will act as very strong electron withdrawing group due to -I effect, so again Friedel-Crafts reaction is not possible. In fifth case, when phenol is taken, now phenol again will donate electron pair to AlCl3, and hence in fifth case also Friedel-Crafts reaction is not possible. So Friedel-Crafts reaction is only possible in second case, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find product of the reaction. Now benzoyl chloride on reacting with AlCl3, now this molecule PHCOCl, benzoyl chloride on reacting with AlCl3 will form PHCO positive carbocation, which act as electrophile along with formation of AlCl4 negative. Now this electrophile will attack on thiophene. Now thiophene molecule is having maximum electron density at its adjacent position, because when resonance takes place, various resonating structures are formed. For example, we have this resonating structure. If negative charge is further delocalized, now negative charge is shifted in this position. Now it may further delocalized, so other resonating structures are formed in which negative charge is present in this atom, and after further resonance, so negative charge is delocalized on all the atom. Now maximum electron density is present on those positions where resonating structure is comparatively more stable. Now out of given structure, first structure is most stable because it is neutral. Now out 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 3 and 4 resonating structure are equally stable, and 3 and 4 are comparatively more stable than 2 and 5, because 2 and 5 are having maximum distance between opposite charges, but in 3 and 4 negative charge is present at adjacent position. So 3 and 4 resonating structure will contribute more to resonance hybrid, so real molecule will be more likely to 3 and 4, and hence maximum electron density is present at adjacent carbon atom to sulfur atom. Hence when electrophile C6H5 CO positive attack, so electron density is maximum at adjacent position, so it will attack at this position, and final product form is C double bond O, and now this is the final product form, and hence correct answer is B. In this compound, molecule is having both NH2 and OH group. Now this molecule is to be reacted with acetic anhydride. Now nitrogen and oxygen both are having pair of electron, but nitrogen is comparatively less electronegative than oxygen. Minus I effect or electronegativity of nitrogen is less. Oxygen is comparatively more electronegative than nitrogen. So lone pair donating tendency of nitrogen is comparatively high compared to oxygen, and amine group is having more nucleophilicity than oxygen. So nitrogen preferentially donate pair of electron, and acetate ion is removed as a leaving group. So NHCOCH3 is formed, and OH group is retained in the molecule. Now this is the case of chemoselectivity, in which one group is comparatively more reactive, and hence it will react preferentially, and correct answer is B. In this reaction, ester is treated with AlCl3. Now this reaction is the case of Fries rearrangement. In Fries rearrangement, ester will rearrange to phenol, and carbonyl group is attached at ortho and para position of OH group. Now in this reaction, when ester is treated with AlCl3, now ester molecule act as Lewis base, and AlCl3 act as Lewis acid. Now this oxygen atom will donate pair of electron to AlCl3, so that oxygen form oxonium ion. Now oxonium carbocation oxonium ion is formed after donating pair of electron and AlCl3 negative COCH3. Now oxygen having positive charge is unstable, so electrons are shifted towards oxygen to form COCH3 carbocation. So in next step, now this anion is formed along with formation of COCH3, which act as electrophile. Now this electrophile will attack at ortho and para position, but para position is already blocked. Now this O negative will attack, will increase electron density at ortho and para position. So upcoming electrophile will attach at ortho position. Now tautomerism takes place, and after tautomerism aromaticity will be regenerated. Now ortho position is also having hydrogen bond between carbonyl group and OH group, and hence correct answer is this product, and this is given in option A, and hence correct answer is A. In this question, benzene when treated with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, so acetophenone is formed as a product, and this molecule on further reacting with hydrazine and KOH. Now this is example of, first step is example of Friedel-Crafts acylation, and second step is example of Wolff-Kishner reduction. So after second step, now this will reduce to ethyl benzene, and so ethyl benzene is formed as a final product, and correct answer is B. In this reaction, we have to find final product of the reaction. Now amide is having nitrogen, which is having pair of electron. So now this is electron donating group having plus M effect, so it will be ortho and para directing. On reacting with bromine in presence of acetic acid, now this is ortho para directing. Ortho position is comparatively crowded, so para will be major product. Both products are formed ortho and para, but due to crowding in ortho position, ortho is formed in less amount, while para product is comparatively major due to presence of less crowding. And this is the example of regioselectivity, because in regioselectivity two structural isomers are formed, out of one is formed in a small quantity, which is minor product, and other which is present in excess is major product. So this is the example of regioselectivity, and correct answer is A. Formycin A is an antibacterial fungal metabolite. It is insoluble in dilute NaOH and react with 2,4-DNP. A is converted into B on reaction with acetic anhydride. What is formycin A? Now, formycin A must have carbonyl group because it reacts with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine, and on reacting with acetic anhydride, it form 1, 2, 3, 4 tetraacetate. So it must have 4 OH group. Now it is having solubility in NaOH, and if compound is NaOH soluble, then it must contain acidic group. Now among these compound, formation A must have carbonyl group, either aldehyde and ketone. Now this is linkage which is hemiester linkage, so it must contain one of the aldehyde group. Now these are OH groups present in the molecule, which will further converted to acetate and now CH2 OH. Now this CH2 and OH, now this molecule must be formacine A. Now this molecule is having phenolic group, so due to presence of phenol it is soluble in NaOH. Now this molecule react with 2,4-DNP because it is having carbonyl group. Now OH and carbonyl both are present in same molecule, so there is possibility of formation of hemiacetal linkage. So intramolecular reaction takes place, and due to which carbonyl group converted to hemiacetal linkage. Now this molecule is having 4 OH group, and due to presence of 4 OH group it will form tetraacetate, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find product of the following sequence of reaction. Now we have acetophenone which is reacted with peracid. HCO3H is peracid, and in presence of peracid there is possibility of Weir-Williger rearrangement or Weir-Williger oxidation. Now in second step, phthalic anhydride is reacted with product obtained by hydrolysis of molecule A. So in this question we have to find identify C and D, what the products are formed in the reaction. Now first we have acetophenone. Now this is the acetophenone molecule, pH COCH3, and acetophenone on reacting with RCO3 peracid, it will have both pH and CH3 group, and pH is having higher migratory aptitude than CH3, so it will convert it to CH3 C double bond O O pH. So now this is the product formed after Weir-Williger oxidation. So A is phenyl acetate. Now this molecule A is hydrolyzed, and on hydrolysis it gives B and C. So this molecule on hydrolysis, since this molecule is ester, and ester on hydrolysis give one equivalent of acid, and along with acid phenol is formed. Now this phenol, one of the product which is phenol, is treated with phthalic anhydride to give indicator D. So now when phenol is treated with phthalic anhydride, now phthalic acid, if 2 COOH are present at ortho position of benzene group, then this is called phthalic acid, and on heating it will be converted to phthalic anhydride. Now if phthalic anhydride molecule is treated with phenol, so electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction takes place. Now after electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction in strongly acidic medium, overall H2O is removed, and after elimination of water molecule it is converted to a compound similar to this. Now this molecule is acidic indicator. Now this compound is called phenolphthalein, which is used as indicator, which is colorless in acidic medium, and in ionized state under basic medium it gives pink color. So correct answer of the question is indicator formed D is this molecule, and hence correct answer is C. C is one of the product is phenol and other product is phthalic anhydride. After reacting with phthalic anhydride is phenolphthalein, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find final product of the given sequence reaction. Now in this case ortho, this molecule is having 2 benzene nucleus and COOH is present at ortho position. So structure of the molecule, now 2 benzene rings are present and these are connected by CH2 group. So this is the molecule and one ring is having COOH group. Now this molecule is treated first with SOCl2. On reacting with SOCl2, its acid will be converted to acid chloride. So after reacting with SOCl2, we will get CH2. Now this molecule is formed COCl. Now this molecule on reacting with AlCl3 gives Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, and after Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction it will be converted to carbonyl compound. So CH2 and now this molecule is formed. This molecule is having carbonyl group. On reacting with zinc amalgam at presence of HCl, Clemenson reduction takes place, and after Clemenson reduction, now this carbonyl group will reduce to alkyl group. So final product is this molecule is formed as final product, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to identify reagent which convert benzene to this molecule and this molecule further to this molecule. Now this molecule is having carbonyl group, so for introducing carbonyl group we require Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So if benzene is taken as reactant and it is treated with CO, now this group has to be introduced, so COCl must be used along with AlCl3, and after this reaction we will get same product CO, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. Now this molecule is having carbonyl group which on reaction with zinc amalgam and HCl will reduce carbonyl group to give final product CH2, CH2, CH, CH3 and CH3, and hence correct answer is D.